We haven't been down in the garage for a while and the car's been pretty much on hold, but it's time to get cracking again.
Here we go.
We got some really good news. We've finally bought ourselves a rooftop tent, which means that I have to stress out and try and get our roof racks finished in 2 days. We have the no boundaries roof rack for the car, but the rooftop tent, which you guys will see soon, it's like needs a little bit more of a weight rating than what the tent allows. So I've come up with this crazy idea to build some sort of like steel structure. So stay tuned and check this out.
It's comfy.
It doesn't flex too much when you get in. This week's crazy. We've realized we are going on a trip to Colorado in a week and the car's not ready. And as always happens, we've just got a heap of work come through, which is fantastic, but also not fantastic because we haven't finished the car. But what's been exciting is that every day we've had deliveries just turning up all the time. And we got a good one just come in, and it's in this big box. Let me go grab something to open it with. It says no, no. Do not open with no, please. Let's speed this up. Oh shit. Did I break it? Oh, babe. So we've been working today, working hard. It's boring, but we just got some Amazon deliveries and it's exciting. Check this out, like so many boxes. Pretty sure we know everything that's in there, but it's still exciting. This axe came yesterday, I want to open everything up with it. Going hunting. Check this out. We can't afford can't afford real Max Tracks, so we're going with these babies. They're like Amazon knockoffs, but
Is that what they feel
they look
like?
beefy. Beefy.
Is that what they're supposed to feel like?
Yeah.
Amazing. Where's everything? What is this?
It's an inline fuse.
Exciting.
Very exciting. So we don't blow up our system. I don't even know. So I have no idea how to install this baby, but it's gonna happen.
This is the jack thing.
Oh, right. It's huge.
Well, it has to lift a car.
Yeah, I guess. Okay.
Our sleeping bag!
Oh, I hope you didn't cut through that.
Oh, Oh, it's just the bag.
We got ourselves a little like can toilet, which I've got no idea how we're gonna fit it in the car, but it's actually really comfortable. Like I can sit on this for a while
I don't want to
and
use
ponder.
it.
We are not gonna be slumming it on the road at all. Like I don't know whether you can tell what we've got. That was a toilet that we just unpacked. We got so many boxes. We just had an awning. Sophia's got like one of the best rated sleeping bags on Amazon just there. And we are going to be trying or attempting to cook with the Instant Pot. So we made sure that we have crazy ass lithium batteries, and we bought ourselves basically the baby version of this.
Which
So
we
this
are
is-
obsessed with.
This is our like thing we use every single night to cook. So cute.
Put it next to the other one.
Check it out. So like, this is gonna be our travel instant pot. It's quite heavy.
Is there stuff inside?
So we can cook anything in here. We can cook chicken. We can cook whatever we like.
Our house is a mess. No, it's like extra mess. It's like Christmas, Amazon Christmas threw up in here. There's our awning.
We've got 3 days to finish the car, and then we have to hit the road.
Kitchen build starts now.